Students, welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Krishna sir as your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 4 science lesson 4 and its topic name is matter. You know matter is very familiar to everyone. In this world all things is made of matter. And now I am going to tell you what is the definition of matter. Anything that has occupied space and mass is called matter. Suppose if you take a books, it takes a space also and it has mass also. That's why anything that has occupied space and mass is called matter. In this world, if you take the pens also, pencils, your house, you and other substances you notice from your eyes, and everything in this world is made of matters. You know, matter has three states: solid, liquid and gas. But in the higher classes, if you visit in the higher classes, it has five states: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, both particles also, both Einstein's measure also. Means there are five kinds of matter. If you go to higher classes, your teacher tell you about five kinds of matter. But in the lower classes, you get only three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. You know, solid, anything which is very tough. Suppose you take a bricks at your home, you see it is very tough. Means why it is very tough? It is very tough because its intermolecular space is very closely tied, and solid has a it has definite shapes and volume also. And in its entire process, suppose if you see the bricks, it is in cuboid shape, and its intermolecular space is closely packed together. So that's why the brick is very hard. Means those substance which is very hard, it is not if you are not able to compress it, it has same state that is known as solids. And in the solids, the molecules is closely packed. See, in the solid, the molecules is closely packed. See this here. The molecule is closely packed. That is why solid is very hard. The second state is liquid. You know, liquid has no definite shapes and volume. It takes the volumes of container. Suppose you take waters and drop down in a buckets, it says the bucket shape. If you drop down in the conical phase, it is shaped have the conical phase. If you put the water in a fulcrum, it says the fulcrum shape. So that's why the water has no any shape. It takes the shape of the container. Its molecule is very far away from us. That's why liquids, if you drop the liquids in the ground, it flow. Because its intermolecular space are not closely packed together. But in the liquid, its liquids is in the intermolecular is very far away. That's why liquid has no definite shapes and volume. And third state is gas. You know, gas in the gas also, its molecule is far away from us. Suppose your mother cooks some food, delicious foods in the kitchens, and your nose smell it. Why? Because the molecules and its particles moves it together and collide each other and give a sense of this process known as diffusions. In the higher classes, your teacher tell you what diffusion. Suppose you burn incense stick at your home, its smell comes down to your nose. This means the gases, the molecules is very far away from us. This is why we are not able to see the gases also. And means this solid liquid gas change the states also. Suppose if you put some ice in a bucket and heat it, you see when you heated the ice in a container, it's slowly melting. It changes state from solid to liquid, and this liquid vaporize, go to the atmosphere. It is known as gas also. Means solid, liquid and gas. Ice is one of the example of solid, liquid and gas also. In this all the things is made of very teeny particles. These teeny molecules are made of molecules, and molecules are very so much small. We cannot see from your naked eye also. It is very grain also. That's why this is a containers also. And these things you think in the minds, the molecules are very closely to tight packs, and it's very solid also. It's a molecule in liquid also and in gas also. But totally the states of matter in this solid, liquid and gas it totally changes. Suppose you put suppose you take a one glass full of water and put down 5 spoons of salt in it or sugar in it. You see the glasses totally take the shape. Same thing. It is not goes below the out of the glasses, because in between the glasses there are teeny space also. This is not an intermolecular space where salt particles and liquid particle goes there and take the space of this container. That's why the solid, liquid and gas don't go outside from the glass. Means it take the same shape and size, its volume also, and between this liquid there is an intermolecular space, and the salt particles and the sugar particle go there and adjust it. So that's why the liquids cannot fall down from the space hole. And if you put this water in the water, you put some sweet suppose, or you put some salty things, or you put some sugar also. Suppose you put a sugar in the water and stir it, and this sweet water is known as solution, and the sugar, you know, it is known as solute. And this, when the glasses mixed in the glasses, the water and this sugar mixed together, is known as solvent. So that's why you read today's all the topics. If any difficulty, you ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.